I want to become a nurse, but then my mother, hindi niya kayang i-sustain yun because we only have small businesses in our place. My mother before, she's really one who really object to shift another industry. We own the business, but the business owns us. I'm very much lucky kung ano mang pinagdaanan ko in my life. It taught me a lot of patience. It was really life-changing. The freedom that we wish, the income that we want, andito na eh.
Hello mga ka-VIP! Welcome to another episode of the VIP Lounge. And this day, we are going to interview one former teacher who found her new passion in an online business. So halika, sama kayo sa VIP Lounge. And today we are with our guest speaker, of course. She's a former teacher, a mompreneur, Miss Jonalyn Blanco. Hello, Jonalyn.
Hi, Ma'am
Madam.
Joyce. Good afternoon. To all our VIP listeners and watchers, good afternoon.
Hindi na natin papatagalan, no? We are very inspired by your story. Tell us about your dream when you were a kid, no?
I came from the province of Zamboanga del Sur and municipality of Aurora. So it's a very small municipality. And then growing up, yung nakikita mo lang are probably professions like teachers, policemen. So yun yung benchmark ko when I was growing up. So and it was really the desire of my mother for her na she wants to be a teacher. But then, hindi na-realize yung dream niya, parang pinasa sa akin. So, fortunately, naging teacher naman.
Pero ma'am, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, ano ba yung gusto mong profession?
Actually, gusto ko talagang maging nurse. No? Because growing up, nakikita mo talaga, they went to abroad to earn more. And of course, nung nagsisimula ka pa lang, I mean, when you are young, talagang yun yung pinaka-the best yung gusto mong marami kang pangarap na nabubuo. Gusto mong mag-travel around the world, magkaroon ng ganito sasakyan because you've seen aspirations from the TV. I want to become a nurse, but then my mother, hindi niya kayang i-sustain yun because we only have small businesses in our place. So, ginawa is teacher because that's the only thing na affordable and kaya sa bulsa ng mother ko.
Ano yung nabigay ng teaching sa'yo? Siguro, tell us about yung early life, no?
Mm-hmm.
Ano ba nung nag-umpisa ka magturo? How was it like back then?
I'm very much lucky kung ano mang pinagdaanan ko in my life. It taught me a lot of patience. And of course, talagang, it is really my passion to teach. So, it's really in line to where we are right now. And I also love kids, so somehow it prepares me to anything that patience, no, na ano pa ba, kailangan madiskarte ka, yung also the mindset of being, you have to invest. Because before, when I was a teacher, preschool teacher, I was a preschool teacher by then, and then parang, siyempre maliliit na mga bata. So it really makes you more patient. Nakakatulong ka din sa kanila. And magbibigay ka din sa kanila. So, maganda yung naidulot para sa akin. And it helps me to appreciate more the children or to look back by that time na, oh, this is what they feel, this is how they are. So, yung empathy ko sa kanila, andun. Yung puso ko para sa kanila, andun.
Now, tell us about how did you discover your online business?
We've had a traditional business before, the pharma distribution, and then someone introduced to us this online business. So, at first, I was hesitant because we already have the traditional business. But then, eventually, my brother-in-law was able to really allow us to understand the business, how stable the business is, how the business flows, what kind of the company, what industry. So it takes a lot of understanding into the kind of business, and somehow my brother-in-law, Kuya Randy, was able to bring us into trainings or give us the time to really let us understand the industry that we are in.
Ano yung nakita nyo dito sa new opportunity kahit na meron ka ng traditional business?
Malaki yung nakita namin that we really gave up our traditional business. So, in the sense that our traditional business, we own the business, but the fact is, the business owns us. We cannot go outside the country, no travel. We could not spend time together because we could not leave our business. So, when it comes to adapting into this 21st century business that we have right now, it really changes the perspective into the new industry, because nakikita ko na there are successful people in the industry na talagang ginagawa nila and they're enjoying the life, they're enjoying the freedom. And yun yung wala kami sa traditional business. So that's why, nung nalaman namin, nung naintindihan namin na ang ganda pala ng industry na ito. So we really put our heart, put our everything into it. So ginawa namin full-time.
Now, tell us about the challenges when you were starting and then compare it to the life that you have right now.
So nung umpisa, actually, hindi siya ganun kahirap. It's because we have business already. So traditional business. So alam namin that we need to take action for us to produce income, to produce result. So kumbaga nag-i-enjoy kami sa ginagawa namin. So na-enjoy namin na, we are excited of the future. We have the vision of the future na ito someday. Yan, sila yung mga nagka-resulta dito sa industry na ito. Sila ang magiging benchmark natin. Sila ang magiging pangarap natin. So sila yung naging, those successful people, sila yung naging parang driving force namin na, gusto namin ang buhay nila. Gusto namin yun. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko mag-travel around the world. I want to have the savings. I want to have a house. And of course, the freedom that they enjoy. No? Because yun yung wala kami. So yun talaga yung nakita namin sa industry. That's why hindi magiging mahirap yun kung love mo yung ginagawa mo. At the same time, alam mo yung patutunguhan mo. So, just enjoy the process, and of course, kung ano mang ginagawa mo, just love what you do.
How about now? No? Masasabi mo ba that you have achieved that freedom? Can you share to us the life that you are experiencing right now? First, of course, within your family.
Of course, sobrang laki, no? First and foremost, siguro, sa growth namin as a couple, or especially ako as a mom. So, all those trainings that we've been through, the travels that we've enjoying with my kids, no? And siguro my other sibling, my sister Jennifer, we're able to enjoy because we are in the same industry. So, yun yung advantage na same kami ng industry, nagtutulungan kami. Actually, one of the reason that I really do the business, it's because my inspiration is my parents. I want them to travel with me. I want them also to enjoy the life that we were enjoying. I want to give back to them. So that really empowers me to really push harder. And of course, masaya because by doing the business, we're really able to give the life that we want for them.
Ano yung sabi ng parents mo? Like, ano yung mga naririnig mo ngayon na pagka nag-uusap kayo, ano na yung tono ng conversation?
My mother before, she's really one of the one who really object na gawin to shift another industry, to add another business. Siya talaga yung nagbabawal, nagsabi na, wag niyo na, kasi may business na kayo. Or even when I quit teaching, ayaw niya talaga mag-quit ako ng teaching because gusto niya talaga secure. So we have a different mindset and iba yung nakikita niya versus sa nakikita namin. So by that, siguro mas na-appreciate niya ngayon yung decision namin. And fortunately, na-prove namin sa kanya na tama yung ginawa namin, tama yung decision namin, tama yung nakinig kami sa ano yung bugso ng aming damdamin. We were able to, of course, pay them back because of the opportunity that we have right now.
Saan-saan mo silang mga bansa na napunta? Ano ba yung mga naibigay mo sa kanila?
During the 58th birthday of my mom, binigyan ko siya ng sasakyan.
Wow.
So, I have a very supportive husband, no? So, grabe din yung support niya. And I was able to give my mother, because they also have a business. So, malaking tulong yung sasakyan para sa kanila. First travel of my father is in Singapore,
Wow.
Royal Caribbean Cruise. So, talagang nakakataba ng puso na first time mag-travel in his 58 years of existence in the world, nakapag-travel siya. And it's because of, through the opportunity.
What are the most memorable or the pinaka-favorite mong benefits of this online business that you have right now?
Actually, ang pinaka-favorite na benefit ko talaga is yung mga travels. It was a fulfillment for me na makapag-travel around the world. It was the first stamp of my passport
Wow.
to join the Hong Kong Convention. And then, was able to qualify for the Royal Caribbean Cruise, another country after country. So, I went to Australia, Taiwan, Bali, Indonesia, been to different countries, Peru. It was really life-changing. Kasi lahat ng tatak ng passport ko, because of the industry.
Wow.
Dahil sa business na to. So talagang, it's life-changing. And pinaka-fulfilling sa akin was that I was able to drive the whole family in the US, no, with my children. And bucket list ko lang yun. Pinaka-goal ko lang yun. And with this industry, talagang nothing is impossible. And of course, we were able to buy the house and lot, the car. So, because of the industry, because of the business that we have, because of the hard work, and because of talagang tinarbaho siya.
Did you ever in your wildest dream imagine waking up to this kind of comfortable life that you are in?
Us being healthy as a family, talagang sobra-sobrang blessings na yun kay God. And because we are in the wellness industry, so talagang that you have that health, no? Health nowadays is wealth. That's a true wealth. And wealth is, may iba na yung version ngayon. Freedom is the true wealth. So talagang we are in the perfect industry.
What are the transformation that you have undergone when you started or during doing this business?
I'm more on, siguro sa growth. Nag-iiba yung perspective mo sa life. Malaking tulong talaga sa growth, especially when you're running a business. So malaking impact siya na vina-value yung growth. Kasi somehow, kailangan matibay ka din eh. So, nag-iba yung perspective mo in the sense that lahat ng pagdadaanan mo in the business, talagang you change that challenges into opportunity. Para bang nag-iiba yung pananaw mo if may mga challenges sa business.
How about being a mother? How were you able to be more of a mother in this kind of industry?
What's good with our industry is that we can bring our kids. So, na-enjoy namin that we can do parenting at the same time, we could run our business. So that's the benefit. And of course, the quality time that we spend to our kids, talagang mas napagtutuunan namin ng panahon, mas nakikita na namin sila na lumalaki.
As a wife, no, how were you able to work hand in hand with your partner, of course, your husband, no? Paano yung dynamics ninyo when it comes to running this business?
What's good thing about the business is that as a couple, we could work together. So my husband has his own strength. I have my own strength. He has his own weaknesses. I have my own weaknesses. So we could complement with our strength. So together, since we are attending also the trainings, we're growing together. And also, by doing the business, we could have that time together. So that's the most important thing in a relationship.
What can you say to somebody out there who's looking for an opportunity, who is also a mother like you, who's also a daughter like you, na gusto mag-venture into any kind of entrepreneurship? Anong message mo sa kanya right now?
Siguro being a mom, when you're a mom right now, when you are someone who really dream to achieve something, when you are someone who really who really have a big dreams, try to consider the industry. It's because the industry is very huge, it's very promising. This is now the trend. We are now in wellness industry, so this is something that we must consider. Especially, lahat naman nag-i-effort. We want to earn. So, my advice to all of the women out there who really want something, who want business, or who want to travel around the world, who want to help or give back their family, try to consider the industry. It's because this is a very huge industry and it's very promising. No? Where can you have a business that there are people, there are mentors that are willing to help you how to run your business. So, hindi mo yan makikita outside. So, with this industry, you could ask those people who already successful in the business. So, kumbaga, may magme-mentor sa'yo in the business. So, yun yung advantage natin, yung edge natin na hindi ka mawawala when you are starting because you have all the support system that you needed in the industry. Very promising in the sense that, of course, the freedom that we wish, the income that we want, andito na Of course, I will not say that it's easy, it's hard, pero I mean in life, wala namang madali, walang easy. If you want to earn something, if you want to achieve something, we have to work hard for it. So, it's just that putting your hard work into the right opportunity. If this industry opens the world to us, of course, it will open to your world too.
And just to cap off this interview, kanta mo naman kami, ma'am. What is your theme song sa buhay mo or sa business nyo?
Okay, so this is kinda oldie na nga song, but it really, to sum up everything, no? So, ito yon. Iisa lang ang buhay mo, kumilos ka, gamitin mo. Kung may nais ang puso mo, mangarap ka, abutin mo. Upang ito'y makamit mo, magsikap ka, simulan mo. So, simulan mo na!
Yan. And thank you, ma'am. Nako, marami na for sure na,
Yes,
magsisimula ng bagong opportunity. And that's it for our VIP Lounge episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe para mas marami pa pong ma-inspire na kwento na marinig ninyo in the future. So, thank you. Bye!